when I was 5 years of age, like I was like where I used to like play daily, there was a guinea tree there. So what happened? Somebody chopped down some stump out the tree, like chopped some of the limbs. So there was a big stump that they chopped and they leaned it up. Like they never took it down. So it was there leaning. I was on the wall sitting with my fingers on the wall like this. With my fingers on the wall like this. And then the breeze come and blew down the stump. So when the stump fell, it fell on my finger and took it off.
I will be honest with you. I didn't even realize that. I didn't realize nothing about.
No, you can't laugh. Why? Laugh. Sure.
I didn't realize that. It's just
Laugh, man.
everybody keep asking the question, and then I'm like,
Yeah, so the stump fell on my finger and it like took it off. There was a little skin where I wore it, but remember I did young and full, you know, I never know if I put back the finger upon it, so I wore it. So me just go and me and flash it. Ah, the finger! And then when my mother comes, she just give me a next beating.